Good morning everyone. Today nataka kuonyesha how to replace, I want to show how to replace LCD for Redmi A5. Redmi A5. I've dismantled the phone, so here we have some different parts here. I've dismantled the whole phone. This is a motherboard, a battery. I have a LCD. This is, remember, we are repairing. We are just replacing the screen. LCD. That is what we call LCD. I have best LCD here. This is a crown. This is the original LCD. OLED. Now we should make sure our frame is very clear and clean. So I want to clean the frame using my tools and make it, because so far we have removed the damaged screen, and here it is. We have it here. This was before. We want to replace with this one. This is a new one. Now I need to make sure the frame is very clean in order to test and be able to replace the screen. And this is how we do it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm still a gospel musician. Let's grow together. This is how we replace this screen. But if you don't have the skills, please don't dare to replace it, because you'll damage a whole phone. And there is a part, very sensitive part here, where there are some ACs. We have different AC here. Again, there is very dangerous part of which is battery. These can damage everything, even can punch you. Remember, it is a flammable, so you may tamper with it and make you suffer. Now we are making sure the frame is very clean. It should be very clean. If I find minor shots and breaking the other screen, you can destroy the other screen. You can make it broke. Just like my video, don't forget to share the other technician. And if you want to join my classes, we do train for 3 months. There is a technical. Or if you want to go deeper in terms of OS and what we call software, if you are there and you need to know more about software, phone software, such things, we train for 6 months at affordable price. So kindly, this is, I've told you, we are going to replace Redmi A5. So before we install it permanently, we need to first to test the screen. Before anything, we need to test the screen. It is allowed. First you check and test the screen before you install it. Let me remove this charging plate. This is what we call a charging plate, and this is very critical. I'll let you know about this charging plate as time goes. This is very useful to phone. So slowly wanna make it happen. Remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, share, and follow me on Facebook on my page, Master Electrical Solution. Now here, we have not installed it permanently. We are just trying to test the screen first before making it permanent. It is here. It is. This is a motherboard. Let's do it together. I've given you a warning. Please don't try it if you don't know terms, if you don't know about screen replacement, and if you don't know, you don't have skills on sorry, you don't know more about more about phone. If you don't have skills on this, please don't dare to do it. Here it is, a battery. So sorry, I was on a call and we are just scrolling. We are yes finishing. We are nearby. This is the phone. I was on another call, police, sorry. I've told you, please just subscribe to my YouTube, share my YouTube, like it, and please subscribe and follow me on both page, my Facebook. Still, I have a page on Facebook which goes by name Master Electrical Solution. Now we want to put on this back cover. This is a back cover. This is a back cover, and that is, so we have this phone now, right now. This is a world, very nice, My customer is ready to enjoy the phone.